back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a people paper chain. So let's get started. The things that you will need is some paper and some scissors. So let's get started. So we are going to start off by folding 4 lines like this. Now we're going to open it up and fold it into a concertina, like this. And so we have the letter W on the side of our paper. Now we are going to draw a shape of a person like this. Now we are going to cut out all of the black lines of our person. And that is your paper chain, people paper chain. So now we're going to draw some clothes and then colour it in. These are the clothes. For the first person, we are going to colour him in red and blue. Now we are going to colour in the trousers blue. So now for the next person, we are going to colour him in orange and green. Now we have finished colouring in the top, we are going to colour in the trousers orange. And for the next person, we are going to colour them in pink and purple. Okay, and now we are going to colour in the trousers pink. Now we're going to colour in the last person, yellow and blue. So now we are going to colour in the trousers blue. We have now finished our people paper chain, and this is how they look. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.